Gold coin prices. Why do gold coins cost more than spot? Part 2. In part 1 of this series, I discussed how production costs, premiums, and supply and demand affect gold coin prices. In part 2 of this series, we will discuss how market conditions, rarity and condition, and storage and security play a part. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. Also, to find out whether your savings are keeping up with the higher cost of living, see the link in the video description to access the free inflation retirement calculator to make sure you are on track. Market conditions. Understanding how market conditions influence the price of gold coins and bars is crucial in making informed investment decisions. The global market is a complex entity, with various factors causing fluctuations that can impact the price of precious metals. In times of economic stability, the demand for gold might be relatively steady, and prices might reflect the spot price relatively closely. However, during periods of uncertainty and volatility, you'll often notice a surge in gold prices. This is because investors tend to turn to gold as a safe haven during stock market downturns, driving up the demand and, consequently, the price of gold coins and bars. The price of gold doesn't just react to economic volatility. Political instability, geopolitical tensions, and global events can also cause investors to flock to gold, pushing prices up. On the other hand, positive economic indicators or advancements in gold mining technology can increase the supply of gold, potentially driving prices down. Premiums on gold coins and bars also respond to market conditions. When demand is high, premiums often increase. This is due to the additional cost of producing and distributing the coins and bars. Conversely, when demand is low, premiums may decrease to attract buyers. Rarity and condition. Moving on to the concept of rarity and condition, it's important to know that these factors can significantly affect the value of gold coins and bars. Just like other collectibles, gold coins and bars can appreciate in value based on their rarity and condition. Also, knowing the types of coins to buy for investment is important long-term. 1. Rarity. Rare gold coins and bars can command higher prices due to their scarcity. For instance, those originating from historic periods or with limited mintage can be particularly valuable. Coins from defunct mints or those featuring unique designs can also be more expensive. The reason is simple. Collectors and investors are often willing to pay a premium for items that are hard to come by. 2. Condition. Gold coins and bars in excellent condition can be worth significantly more than those that are not. This is because collectors and investors often prefer items that have been well preserved. Items with minimal wear and tear, original luster, and clear inscriptions are usually more desirable. As a result, they can fetch higher prices on the market. 3. Grading. Professional grading can also impact the value of a coin or bar. Coins and bars that have been professionally graded and certified as being in excellent condition can command higher prices. This is because the grading process provides an independent verification of the item's condition, which can give buyers greater confidence in their purchase. I just want to take a moment to thank you for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video content. It really does make a difference. Now back to the video. Storage and security. When you invest in gold coins and bars, you also need to consider the costs associated with storage and security. These costs are often overlooked, but they play a significant role in the overall price of your investment. Firstly, let's delve into the issue of storage. Gold, being a tangible asset, requires physical space for storage. If you're buying a substantial amount, you can't just tuck it away in a drawer at home. You need a secure facility such as a vault or secure professional depository. These secure storage facilities aren't free. They charge fees that can add to the cost of owning gold. This cost increases with the quantity and value of the gold you're storing. Secondly, there's the matter of security. Gold is a highly coveted asset and theft is a real risk. To protect your investment, you need to employ security measures. These may include security systems, surveillance, insurance, or even hiring security personnel. All these measures come with costs that add to the overall price of owning gold. In addition, if you're storing your gold in a different country for diversification purposes, there are additional costs involved. These include shipping costs, customs duties and taxes, and possibly even travel costs if you want to inspect your holdings personally. When buying gold coins as a long-term investment, working with a reputable gold investment company can provide access to affordable storage and security, competitive prices, price transparency, a reasonable buyback policy, and reliable customer service. This can eliminate much of the guesswork and provide peace of mind. Gold IRAs are a tax-advantaged way of buying and owning gold coins without the stress of dealing with local or online vendors and the need for security and storage in your own home. However, finding the right gold IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a gold IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high-net-worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, along with lifetime customer support, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provides Gold IRA as well as private investment options for home storage. See the links in the video description to find the right Gold IRA company that best serves your needs. In summary, gold coins cost more than their spot price due to several factors: production costs, premiums, supply and demand, market conditions, and the coin's rarity and condition. Even storage and security play a role. As you delve into the gold investment world, keep these elements in mind. They'll help you make savvy decisions, understand the market's whims, and potentially turn your shiny investment into a golden opportunity. If you have a minimum of $100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold investment webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Reserve your place today. Thank you for watching.